Ever wondered how you'd fare trapped in a dark, damp mine a half-mile below the surface of the Earth? Picture this. It's August 5th, 2010. A typical day at the San Jose copper-gold mine in the Atacama Desert of northern Chile turns into a nightmare. Without warning, a massive cave-in seals 33 miners deep underground. Astonishingly, the mine, perched precariously amidst the rugged, arid landscape, was their workplace, their bread and butter. The news of the catastrophe sends shockwaves across the globe. Families, friends, and colleagues are thrown into a whirlpool of fear and anxiety. Immediately, a desperate rescue operation springs into action. Drills, heavy machinery, and manpower, all thrown into the fray to locate the trapped miners. But the initial attempts are met with failure. The labyrinthine tunnels and unstable terrain prove to be formidable adversaries. Imagine their despair, their hope fading as each day passed with no sign of rescue. What if I told you, against all odds, a tiny drill borehole reached their refuge 17 days later? An intricate dance of desperation and determination had begun. The rescue team, undeterred by the enormity of the task, relentlessly drilled boreholes, each a lifeline into the heart of the earth. In a race against time and with a prayer on their lips, they sent down a small exploratory drill. Each rotation was a beacon of hope, a testament to human resilience. Then, on the 17th day, their efforts bore fruit. The exploratory drill finally reached the miners' haven, a glimmer of hope piercing the suffocating darkness. The drill resurfaced, not just with geological samples, but with a note that echoed across the globe: "Estamos bien en el refugio los 33. The words, simple yet profound, declared, "All 33 of us are fine in the shelter." With that note, a wave of relief swept across Chile and the world, but the rescue was far from over. Now comes the real test: extracting 33 men from the bowels of the earth, a feat never attempted before. The rescue of the Chilean miners was a massive international effort, a testament to the power of human collaboration. The world watched, holding its collective breath, as three plans, aptly named Plan A, Plan B, and Plan C, were put into action. Each was a testament to human ingenuity, a blend of engineering, physics, and sheer grit. Plan A and C were ambitious, but it was Plan B that really caught the world's attention. This plan utilized a Schramm T130 drill, a machine typically used for boring water holes. Against all odds, it was Plan B's drill that first reached the miners, punching through solid rock to forge a lifeline to the trapped men. But reaching the miners was one thing, getting them out was another. The rescue team designed a unique capsule, barely wider than a man's shoulders. Each miner, in turn, would have to squeeze into this narrow vessel for the slow ascent to the surface. The world watched, captivated by the drama unfolding beneath the Chilean desert. Every major news outlet relayed the story, broadcasting images of the capsule as it emerged from the earth, carrying its precious cargo. The extraction process was meticulous, each step carefully planned and executed. The healthiest miners were chosen to go first, testing the capsule's reliability. Then came the weakest, those most in need of medical attention. Finally, the strongest miners, those best able to endure a potential failure of the capsule, were the last to leave. On October 13th, 2010, after 69 days of entrapment, the last miner emerged from the capsule, marking the end of an unprecedented and successful rescue operation. This Herculean effort not only saved 33 lives, but also demonstrated the extraordinary lengths to which humanity will go when lives hang in the balance.